I'm with Mr. HIREN JADEJA from Jyoti CNC Ltd at ENGIMACH. If we speak of technology of town or town of technology, you always remember Jyoti. How is the market doing at this moment of time? Domestic market in Gujarat.
Right. See, you must be aware that the Gujarat is a growth engine of India, you can say, right? So, at Gujarat, all the industries by and large, they are flourishing. In line with whatever the vision stated by our Prime Minister, that is developed nation. So, in this journey, Jyoti would be very instrumental. Since we are into the machine tool industry, which is considered to be the mother industry for all the manufacturing. So, currently, we foreseeing a very growth opportunities all across the spectrum of industry, namely aerospace and defense, electronic manufacturing services, electrical vehicles, and now semiconductor. Lots of investment are being done in Gujarat in a very near future.
When we are speaking about Jyoti, how far they have addressed the automation as a part of the machining prospect? Because there are more and more MSME and SME market are actually looking for automations.
Right. So now the mindset and acceptability of the automation is increasing by and large. Right, since all the even small units, they are facing a problem for the availability of a good manpower. Like operators are not available all across. So people are adopting automation more and more. And at the same time, we have a fantastic product range for the automation to cater the machine tool industry. We have lots of models like the XC200, which we have demonstrated here itself. We have a machine called VST160, which is catered specially designed for the electrical vehicles. Okay, so automation is our foray, and we are quite bullish on automation and adaptation of automation all across the industry.
So what is the future you're looking at for Jyoti in terms of this financial year ending?
We are very bullish, right? We have fostered a very good numbers in first 2 quarters. And predominantly the second half of the year, it's always at least 20% higher than the first half. And again, we are sitting a very large order book, in particular from aerospace and defense. So we foresee a great growth in financial year 26.
How do you see the export growth from Jyoti?
Since we have a very aerospace and defense, our order book is from export business one.
With the increasing demand for defense equipments and aerospace, bottom line, everything is being exported from here.
Yes. In fact, we have divided our product categories in 3 segments. Okay. That is entry level, mid level, and higher. Okay. Higher the pyramids, if we go, we have a better bottom line, better profitability. So aerospace and defense, it's basically a cash cow for us.